We all have an idea of what a winter wonderland is to us. And for me, it doesn't just simply mean a snowy landscape. It's to celebrate what's special to see during this season. Bewick swans, also known as tundra swans. Having travelled 2,500 miles from Arctic Russia, they have come here to WWT's Slimbridge Wetland Reserve. Numbering fewer than 4,500 wintering birds, this is the rarest swan in the British Isles. These were of special interest to Sir Peter Scott, the WWT's founder, where he identified individual birds by their behaviour and their markings. And to this day, it still remains one of the longest single species projects in the world. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all a very Christmassy Tim Hare Day.